Hi everyone, I'm Davi Nogueira. I'm a real estate agent here in Los Angeles. Today we're going to be looking into downtown, my favorite neighborhood where I live and work. I'm going to be showing you 3 condos at 3 different price points. I think you're really going to like it. Let's go check it out. So this is the first unit we're going to be seeing today. $700,000, the entry-level unit at the Evil building. All right, welcome to 1055 South Grand, the Evil building. So right now we're standing in South Park. It's 1 bedroom, 1 bath, 1,000 square feet. Amazing amenities, 24/7 front desk. This building is just awesome. And you got a rooftop gym too, so I mean, what else can you ask for? Hey, welcome to the Rowan building. This is in the middle of the historic core downtown. It used to be the old bank district. This is the second unit we're gonna hit today. It's in the middle of our budget. It's priced at $995,000. It's got 1,300 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 bath, and it's at the Rowan building. In my opinion, it's the best building downtown. I love this building. So this unit's got an awesome master bedroom loft. You got floor to ceiling windows. And most importantly, you got the tax benefits. It's called the Mills Act because it's a historic building. You get to save 70% on your property tax. If you work from home, you're not gonna pay any, so you save 100%. Most historic buildings in downtown don't have any amenities, but this one, it's got a really cool lounge. You might remember that if you work from home, you're saving 100% on your property tax, but you don't have to work from home. You still have this awesome lounge to work out of and just to enjoy, you know, birthday parties, whatever you wanna do. Welcome to Skylofts in downtown. So we just spent a full day in downtown. We decided to save the best for last. This is the most expensive condo we're gonna see today. It's 1.25, just a little under 1,600 square feet. 2 bedrooms, 2 bath, it's the Penthouse. You got Whole Foods, Staples Center, the best restaurants in town, all within walking distance. That's why this is my favorite neighborhood, it's just awesome. So the best part of it all is just this view. You're looking at the tallest building west of Mississippi. Just wake up in the morning and you feel inspired. As you can see, downtown has a lot to offer. Keep an eye out for the next videos. We're gonna be going to Echo Park, Silver Lake, Highland Park. If you guys wanna see anything else, just comment below. Have a good one.